Sprinklr's Modern Marketing and Advertising is a one-stop shop for brands to build and protect their reputation and manage every step in the marketing lifecycle. With AI-powered insights, automated workflows, and omni-channel campaign planning and execution, there's no wonder Sprinklr has had significant success. Their clients have been Lenovo, Denver International Airport, Boston University, Honda, Xfinity, and McDonald's, to name a few. I'm Caleb Fortune with Trust Radius, and let's take a closer look at Sprinklr. Pricing. Unfortunately, Sprinklr's pricing is not publicly listed, but a free 30-day trial is available with no credit card commitment. Looking at some of Sprinklr's competitors, we can see starting prices range from $499 to $2,000 per month. Additionally, some users have stated that the price was on the expensive side for their organization. Top features. According to Sprinklr Modern Marketing and Advertising themselves, they allow large enterprises to listen to and engage customers at scale across 30-plus digital and traditional channels, seamlessly blending public data with exclusive private chat and email data to create a 360-degree view of customer needs. Service costs are reduced by moving conversations from IVR to lower-cost digital channels, where chatbots can handle routine issues or hand off seamlessly to agents, with AI prompts to help them deliver the best responses for each conversation. And lastly, Sprinklr Modern Marketing and Advertising allows enterprises to tap into purchase and intent from public data sources and route those messages to sales representatives to close more sales, enabling service, sales, and marketing to come together and reach the right customers at the right moment. Who is Sprinklr Modern Marketing and Advertising best for? The most common users of Sprinklr are enterprises with 1,000-plus employees. Also, most enterprises offering technical solutions and services like internet, cable, and phone services, or any call center customer service would benefit from Sprinklr Modern Marketing and Advertising. This service product would be unnecessary for sole proprietors or businesses with smaller client bases. It would also be unnecessary for retail companies or the restaurant or food industries and other service industries that don't have call center or several channels to manage multiple forms of communication. User sentiment. Looking at what users say about Sprinklr, they rave about the detailed custom reports summarizing social media activity, sentiment, reaction time, and message volume. Many like the friendly user interface, claiming it improves their platform experience. They also enjoy the customer service tools and features that elevate how associates communicate with customers throughout the country. Finally, users report that content management is smooth with calendar management, written content, and uploads. In terms of negatives, users point out that the setup and onboarding can be challenging. Additionally, they state that Sprinklr comes with a steep learning curve, with many pointing to the navigation experience. Sprinklr does offer scheduled demonstrations and walkthroughs for users to familiarize themselves with the interface should you find yourself in that boat. Overall, Sprinklr Modern Marketing and Advertising is meant to streamline all of your communication channels to make branding seamless and optimized through their smart industry-specific AI technology. The main things to consider with this service are the size of your company and its industry. It also helps to give your associates adequate time to learn and use Sprinklr, as the learning curve can be steep. Do you currently use Sprinklr or have a different marketing platform that you prefer? Let us know about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe for more, and head over to trustradius.com for detailed reviews, comparisons, and software alternatives.